Hey Primates, how's it going? Welcome to another video. Today we are going to be looking at ProClip. They are mobile mounting solutions and they have hooked us up with the BMW and we're going to put these things to the test. So stick around. Okay, just going to open these up real quick. So essentially we got two pieces. This one fits the BMW 3 Series. For your car it's going to be slightly different. And then we've got the phone holder here. Initially these things feel really solid. We're going to give this thing a thorough thrashing as well to see if it can hold in place. So let's get this in the car. So nice thing is, comes with instructions that make it easy to install. So first thing we're going to do, take our tool, we're going to stick it in the dash just like they recommend. Next we're going to take, comes with an alcohol wipe. We're going to be using that to give the dash a little wipe down where the vent's going to go in. Any dust or anything. And as you can see, car is very dirty right now. Next up, the mounting bracket clip. As it shows, this is going to go right underneath and pop right in. As you can see here, it's got a little 3M strip, peels off. Nice and easy. ProClip USA, so you know what you're getting in here. Boom! In. Nice and solid too. Next, got this piece right here. One screw in the middle, little twist, pops off. As you can see, ball, nut, 4 screws. Boop, boop, boop. Now we got some options for mounting. We can either go horizontal or vertical with the thing. I'm thinking it doesn't really matter. Oh, it does. We got holes lining up on the horizontal. That's probably on the next sheet. Nope, just have to look and see where the holes are. And we got a pre-drill start, so we're gonna try here and just see if we can do it. We are not using power tools. So far, all we have used is one screwdriver. That one is in. We only need one tool to install this, so ease of installation is pretty good. 2 screws in and it feels completely solid, but we're gonna go the full 4 screws because we're not skimping out. That is solid. So I'm gonna throw my phone in there and you can just place it in there. All right, there we go, install done. I am actually talking to you from the mount right now, and it is, like, even if I hammer on this thing, it's solid, it's in there really well. I'm doing the horizontal screening. You can also turn that thing. I got it just set at the right looseness. You can turn that thing vertical. So let's take this thing onto the track and see how it does. Day for racing, so we took the car out and we gave the mount a thrashing. Well, we gave the car a thrashing. Again. And again. Well, you get the idea. We went off the road a lot. And then I let my co-driver take it out. That was awesome! First run. Now Rome's gonna drive the car, we'll see how he does. Probably a lot better than I did. I got lots of dirt and... Yeah, and he broke the car too. Thumb's gone. And look how that ended up. However, through all the thrashing, and I'm here to say, the phone mount never broke, regardless of what the car was doing. It didn't fly out once. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in next time when we drop the car down a cliff. Hey, no, no.